What's up guys, Reese here from reese3d.com. In this video we're going to unbox the GoPro Hero 9. So, for the first time in GoPro's history, they have given a very nice carrying case along with the camera. So, once we take out the paper box there, I'll leave that here, and we have this very nice carrying case, okay, with the GoPro branding there. And it is a breeze to open up. And once we open up, we have some instructions manual here. Let me just open them up. So we have instruction manual here, and then we have some information about their subscription plan and some information regarding that. And then we have 3 different kinds of stickers, okay, small, big, and one with a inclined GoPro logo, okay, and some other information about the mounts that are inside the box, okay. And then there's information about downloading the GoPro app, and then how you're supposed to open the battery, put the battery and SD card inside, and start shooting. Okay, so we'll just experiment those things in a minute. Okay, so that's the user's manual, and then we have our charger. Okay, and I like this fact that these premium companies, they actually put the branding here, because now we have a lot of USB Type-C cables, and sometimes it gets confused which cable belongs to which device. So that is a very good addition by GoPro. And then we have this little sticky mount, so just take out this sticker, and then you can just put it onto a helmet, because this is a arced shape, it's not flat. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then we have the mount that actually goes on top of this. Okay, so you can also use that. And then we have the battery. Okay, so it's a little bigger battery compared to the old one, so that means like the old one, if you have those batteries, won't work here, I guess. I'll just recheck that and add the right information in the description. So this is something that's basically going to hold the camera with this mount. So these 3 things goes together to become one mount. So we need to just take out this little rubber, and then just insert it here, and then you can just put that rubber thing back. I think I need to push it a little harder. Yes, there you go. So that locks everything, and then you can actually put the camera on top of this, so that whole thing works as a single mount. In the old versions of GoPros, we used to get a lot of different types of mount, but we just have this one for the Hero 9. And then finally the star of the show, which is the camera itself. So I'm gonna just take it out, okay, and it's quite big compared to the old ones, okay. And then we have nice covering here, so let me just peel that off, okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, there you go. So that's the camera, and I like this new kind of feet here. So they basically go onto this mount. Let's try it out. I'm gonna just open this up, then put in, you can see here, yep, there you go, that's perfect. Then I can just mount it like so. There you go, put as much pressure as you want, just to have it stay there perfectly fine. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, take care, bye bye.